Good evening, traders, and welcome to BCI's evening market outlook. Starting with oil, supply concerns, trade barriers, and risk premiums continue to show up in crude spreads and future curves. On the charts, WTI crude remains in consolidation between $62 and $64, while prices briefly broke above the neutral 4-hour moving averages after last week's PPI and CPI releases. The OPEC production increase already seems priced in. That leaves room for a rebound, with last Friday's impulsive rally adding pressure on the upper end of the range. A breakout above could see a retest of the $66 pivot, while a failure to move higher would point to extended consolidation. Turning to the US dollar, the market continues to debate whether the Fed could deliver a larger 50 basis point rate cut in September. While this can't be ruled out, the probability is really low. The August CPI report met expectations, keeping a 25 basis point cut on the table, but offering no downside surprise that would push policymakers towards a bigger move. Markets are fully pricing in a quarter-point cut in September, and expectations are aligned with Fed's long-term path, projecting a total of 75 basis points of cuts in both 2025 and 2026, bringing down the rates to 2.75 to about 3% neutral range by late 2026. Finally, in gold, prices have surged to new record highs, rising for a fourth straight week on the back of geopolitical risks. If Belgium supports Washington's push for an economic war against India, one of Russia's key allies, it could further accelerate central bank demand for gold as part of reserve diversification. However, gold is flashing technical caution signals. The RSI has pulled back from the extreme 80 level, where in 10 of the past 11 cases over the last 6 years, a correction followed. With the Feds expected to cut rates this week, there's also a risk of buy the rumor and sell the news. That wraps up today's afternoon outlook. Stay with BCR for more updates as we track these moves in oil, the dollar, and gold. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.